Okay, this morning I told you a little bit about Google's My Maps, and I just wanted to walk you through a couple steps in case you were wanting to use this and couldn't remember some of the features. When you go to, it's google.com/maps, I can create a new map. And the first thing I need to do is I need to title my map, Dream Vacations, only because I'm loving vacations. I can pick the different types of maps that I want. It would obviously depend upon what the purpose for the map would be. I'm going to go ahead and leave that. I can search for a location, let's say Cabo and Lucas. Once I'm here, I'm actually able to add a marker. Actually, it dropped one the first time. I can say next trip. I am able to fill in when there I want to go and watch whales. So students can fill in all kinds of information. Again, think about different battle locations, different capitals around the world. You can go and add images, maybe your own image, an image from a website. I'm just going to watching. There you go. Select. And it didn't go in. I have noticed that as an issue. I might be too click happy. I've selected it. It's going in there. I guess I'd put it in there twice. And save. And close it. I can go through, and that one was not a permanent location. It doesn't have a white circle. That was just where I was looking when I was traveling. So I've gotten rid of that location. I can add layers. Remember, layers could be each student. Steve. And another layer. Each person, when they're going in, can add their own information. I can rename this layer, delete this layer, open a data table. There is a really neat thing that you can do. I could, and I was having issues with this yesterday. I can take the information from a Google Sheet and put it in 3 columns, and supposedly I can import it into a map. But each time I tried to do that yesterday, it was giving me an error. So I've got my 3 columns information. So right now it's saying dismiss, but I have seen it where people are able to enter information from a Google form and it will just automatically spit their information into a map. And that's pretty neat. You're able to measure distances from place to place, which is pretty cool. And once I click the ruler, those distances go away. So again, each person can have their own layer. So if I'm Tanya, I'm working on mine, I have closed the other layers so the only information is here on my copy of the map. If you wish, go away. If you wish to share this, I can draw a line. Actually, that would a line or shape. Maybe I want to actually let somebody know that this is the path that they were traveling during that battle. To make that go away, I'm gonna, oops. Why did that not stay? There you go. If you click on both ends and then you can name it, path traveled during War of Tears. And so that would be on there. And it would actually tell you the distance. You can color your line, you can edit your line, you could add a picture of what was going on at that time. If you are ready to share this, right now I'm the only owner. Let's say I was going to share it with Steve Bowman so he could contribute. I could invite him. I can select if he's going to edit or just view. I can send a copy of that message to myself. I can go back through and I could, once shared with somebody else, give them complete ownership. And another thing is I can go through the preview. I can zoom in and out. And again, this is the only layer on. At that time, I'm going to go back to edit. And if I were to include multiple layers in preview, now I would see those. The reason the Steve layer didn't show up is because there was nothing added to the map at that time. Well, I hope that this helps a little bit with your thoughts and ideas on using Google Maps.